The TMC is here to serve Goans and to fight to save this beautiful state from destruction by these successive governments. During the assembly elections, our Honorable MP, Mahua Moitra, had visited the disputed heritage site at Old Goa. The Save Old Goa committee at that time was assured by her that she would take up the issue of this illegal bungalow in Parliament. Accordingly, the Honorable Member of Parliament, Madam Mahua Moitra, raised the issue in the Lok Sabha on 1st of December, following which the Honorable Minister G. Kishan Reddy has in a letter dated 18 October addressed to our TMC MP, wherein he has stated that the ASI, the Archaeological Survey of India, on 16th August 2022 has issued a demolition order against this illegal bungalow. Our MP Mahua Moitra is known to be passionate in her fight against injustice and illegalities. TMC demands from the local government give all the cooperation and support to the ASI to demolish the same.